Hi, I am Mustafa from Huawei Developers and welcome to Huawei Mobile Services tutorial series. Huawei Mobile Services Map Kit is a service that allows us to display maps to user and interact with them, bringing the user experience to another level. In this video, we will shortly mention the main feature of the map service, including map display and customization, map interaction, gesture control, turn-by-turn navigation, and real-time information. Using MapKit, both the user and the developer have the opportunity to create and display different types of map interfaces. Some of these interfaces might be default maps or more special maps displaying the terrain. 2D and 3D map representation of the environment and buildings surrounding us are also included. In addition to the aforementioned map interfaces, petal maps also offer traffic and transit maps to get a better insight into the road traffic conditions. Finally, it also offers map displaying special feature including the weather around the world or total COVID cases per country. Another important feature of this kit is the interaction with the map. Here, users make use of special elements and functions such as markers, camera updates, and zooming to get the best functionality out of the map. The gesture control and event listener provided by the petal maps allow users to control the map interfaces by using gestures instead of giving commands to the device. This way, we are taking map interaction to another level. Navigation service, another feature offered by the map service, allows us to navigate through almost every place in the world. It provides turn-by-turn direction to achieve a destination in the easiest and fastest way possible. This feature, when combined with the feature of the real-time public transport information, enables us to get live information during our navigation, making the whole experience much more pleasing and a lot less stressful. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.